pagpapalawak ng network at pakikipag-ugnayan sa mga organisasyon na nangangailangan ng kanilang mga serbisyo. Ilan lamang daw ito sa mga layunin ng Filipino Game and Animation Service Providers na nasa British Columbia ngayon. Ang pagbisita nila sa bansa, pagpapakita rin daw ng galing ng Pinoy creatives. May report si Rhea Santos.
Will you join me?
Welcome to Battleworld. Welcome to the realm of champions.
Kahit saan ka pumunta sa sulok ng mundo ng Pilipinas, when you talk about, are we creative? You'll always find somebody.
We're nearly ready. Give him a taste.
We're the one that does the motions. We have done AAA games as well as blockbuster films.
You may not know us, but we know your children. Yes, you'll be surprised in how many big we call it AAA games, that actually have Filipino production people somewhere down in the credits.
Di nyo namamalayan, pero ang mga nilalaro at napapanood nyo, may katas ng talento ng mga Pilipino. Nasa Vancouver ang 8 game and animation service providers mula Pilipinas para makilahok sa taunang External Development Summit, isang international games industry event kung saan nagtitipon ang mga magagaling at kilala sa buong mundo pagdating sa art, animation, software engineering, mga bihasa pagdating sa game development.
We're talking about the big games that come out in PlayStation, in Xbox, on PC. So this is the most concentrated area that gives us an opportunity to get those big contracts.
Motion capture ang hatid ng kumpanyang Animation Vertigo na higit 2 dekada na sa industriya.
We provide service and we've been doing it really, really well. Some of the games that we've done is Call of Duty, Resident Evil. Most of the sports titles that are being done here in Vancouver with EA, for example, FIFA, Madden. Something I can mention is World War Z. When we were doing the zombies as they were climbing up that wall and everything, so that was something that we were able to do.
Ang kumpanyang Synergy 88, pumatok ang game na ginawa sa pamosong Xbox.
The game is called Gears of War, and that's been in existence for a long, long time. And it's one of the biggest titles that Xbox has. And I've been working on that title for 10 years. We continually build the world of that game. I call it the theater of action.
Sa Konsulado ng Pilipinas sa Vancouver, pagpapalawak ng network at matching sa mga nangangailangan ng kanilang serbisyo ang pinag-usapan.
Many of the clients of our Philippine gaming companies are abroad. We will tap into the creativity of the Filipinos, yung kanilang talent in animation, in film production.
Ang XDS Summit ay mula September 2 hanggang September 5 sa Park Vancouver. May booth ang Pilipinas kung saan makikilala ang mga industry leaders pagdating sa sektor na ito.
That we Filipinos, hindi lang tayo sa mga low-end skilled jobs, but we can do the highest spectrum of technical entertainment software.
Galing pa sa iba't ibang bansa ang mga kumakatawan sa Pilipinas sa taunang International External Development Summit na kasalukuyang nagaganap dito sa Vancouver. Hangad nila na makita ang talento ng mga Pilipino at makilala ito sa buong mundo. Rhea Santos, Omni News, Vancouver.